So remember the oil pump gear, 17 millimeters, 12 millimeters, and 10 millimeters. That's all you need. This right here is recycled, because this is what it failed. Oil consumption or oil failure, most likely because the oil pump gears, they're scratched, so it was losing compression on your oil. So engine starved of oil. That's why the other rotor, the bearing spun out. So this right here is trash. When the side springs fall off by its own, that's a good sign. So if you can see this one right here, they came off. They're good. Even the water seal jacket, the water seals are good. But of course you're not gonna reuse it, so they're trash. Let me try to show you. Also corner seals are good. So the problem on this one, it was the oil. The bearing on the stationary gear, pretty good. So, pretty good. Gimme. Nothing. Ah, vale. Vaya al grande que le quede. Esto más nuevo. Okay, quick update on the 13B Renaissance for grabs. The irons are good. It's gonna clean them, wash them, clean them, and then inspect them really good. The housings, one has a crumb flake. I had to clean it too and then measure it, and then see all the grooves, everything in here. Make sure it has no breaches, it has no cracks, nothing. The middle one, it has some black spots, but it seems manageable. Of course, you got to replace this one on the oil dipstick. The stationary gears, I'm gonna need them. Oh no, that's a turbo tuner, never mind. And a quick thing on the rotors. Let me show you something. The rotors are trash. Let me tell you why. Even though they look good, have the pretty good shape, they're so clean outside, and the inside pockets, everything is clean. But look, you see this little key right here, the little groove in here? This one right here, this one, there you go, this one, it was supposed to be in this groove in here. I don't know if you can see the shape right there. You see this little insertion or that little groove, little pocket thing, so this bearing spin out. So this one right here was supposed to be right there, because this is what it lags. That's what lags the bearing. So what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to remove the bearing, clean it, remove the bearing, and see. I already have some parts here kind of clean already. This is the other one. As you can see, this is the thing I was telling you. This one right here, spin out too. This one, it was supposed to be in here, right there, from here to here. So when that happens, oh man, you're in trouble, and that crap is trash. But since the bearing is clean, look, the bearing, it's clean. What we're gonna have to do on the bearing, I have to remove the bearing and then see how the damage inside. It could be manageable. It could be I can do some magic on it and reuse it. But so far they're trash, so I'm gonna have to wait, So we'll wait till tomorrow. Today is Tuesday and we're gonna wait till Wednesday. This other rear iron has a black spot there, but this one is still reusable. This one is already clean. I'm just gonna have to clean it out with the bar brush, like a wire brush, and start from there. Well, yeah, that's the update. Stay tuned. Still the people is asking for rotors, for housings. Just give me some time. I just want to make sure you guys are gonna get something that is reusable, or at least you can send it off to any other rotary shop or a Goopy Performance so they can resurface the inside of the housing. No, my bad, they don't resurface, they retouch. I don't know what they do. They even specify on the website. Well, yeah, that's the thing. And then for those looking for horsepower or wondering what went down with your iron, why the apex seals came off, you see this carbon build in here? This carbon build is what makes most of the apex seal failures out there, because the apex seal passes through here and this carbon build is here. It cracks the apex seal right on the thing. So this is one of the failures. And the only thing you guys can do pouring this is like opening this one about right here. You can enlarge it, enlarge it all the way right here. Go here and make this pocket deeper, but going inside. Because if you go too deep, like straight, you're gonna go into water and you're gonna damage the water jacket. So I have to go slanted. But that porting job is for next video. Hopefully in the future I'll show you guys how to do that. On the exhaust, nothing to do, because this one right here is a slip. The way you remove the slip is removing those two pins. Get the pins out and you remove the slip. So there's nothing to do on the exhaust port from the outside, because so this thing is a slip. You can smooth it out, but you cannot pour anything because this thing is a slip. On the intake, yeah, you can open it. Same in here, slant it. But that's for next video. So that's the update, guys. Stay tuned.